When you write your programs in Stripe, we know that we can use the space key to insert a function call frame. Now, in the function call, we can use code completion if we cannot remember or want to save the typing of the name of the function. So control space pops up the code completion dialog, which looks like this. I can see here listed the functions first that are defined in my own program. I can see my own variables here. I can see all the functions that were imported. I have the Stripe graphics library imported in my program, so I get offered those functions. I have also the random function imported. I see those, and then I see all the standard Python functions here. I can narrow down this list if I, for example, start typing here the S. I can see that it then narrows down the list to just those functions that match the prefix that I have typed. I get a comment here that describes the function, and on hitting the return key or clicking on the function inserts the function into my program. We can look at this again. If I do this code completion with control space and I start typing, I can move up and down with my arrow keys, hit return to insert the function. If I go into here and I press, say, the equal sign here to turn my function call frame into an assignment frame, in the identifier slot, I can also use code completion. And in this case, because the system knows we're expecting an identifier, the code completion dialog lists my variables first, because I am likely here to want to use a variable rather than a function at this place. One further shortcut: if you insert your function call frame with a control space key combination in the first place, you get the function call frame and the code completion already popped up for a further shortcut. Becoming familiar with this function will make your Python programming quicker and easier. So play around with it and become familiar with it.